What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This is my weekly tech pickups. Now, this is a little bit delayed, so this is going to be 2 weeks worth of weekly tech pickups. I am going to skip the week of May 5th. I was working quite a bit that weekend, did not have a chance to do anything. In fact, I've been working quite a bit this last week, so I apologize for the little dry spell of videos. So anyway, this is 2 weeks worth of stuff, May 5th through May 12th. Actually, let's even go beyond May 5th. What is that, like April, what, 28th through May 12th. So we got 2 weeks worth of weekly tech pickups here. I think this is like episode like 24, maybe, like 24 of these things. So if you really like them and you want me to continue, give it a like, thumbs up, comment, and we'll continue this fun little series. And again, with all this stuff, links in the show notes and possibly more in-depth reviews coming. Some of this stuff is here just because I've got some kick-butt projects and videos planned coming up. So let's go ahead and dive right in, and we'll go over here starting front left. And we've got the Rode Wireless Go. Now these are compact wireless microphone system. So yes, there is a series planned for these. And a more in-depth review. This is a pretty kick-butt. If you're familiar with Rode, they have great microphones. These happen to be wireless, and I'm looking very forward to checking these out. And we will have the series with this because I've got a big series coming up with the DJI Osmo Pocket, and these will fit in very nicely as an accessory with those, as you will see. Also, I've got the adapter HD87. Now, this is also going to get a review, but basically this is like a hub. I think this is called like the Hub Plus or USB hub with HDMI. I don't know, but this basically turns your MacBook Pro charger into a lot more. Okay, basically you're going to use your MacBook Pro charger, you're going to put it in this casing, and then on the back you're going to wind up getting Type-C, HDMI, USB 3.0 out, all from your MacBook Pro charger, okay? So a lot of cool stuff that this will do, and you'll see this in a feature video coming up very soon. Also on the lines of the DJI Osmo Pocket, from Stylus, we've got the Osmo Pocket add-on lens kit, and this is going to add a wide-angle lens and a fisheye lens to your Osmo Pocket. So basically these are just little lenses that you can fit on your Osmo Pocket and make some effects and stuff like that. So another kick-butt accessory we're going to show for the Osmo Pocket. Now moving on, this is part of another project in another series. This is TFT LCD color monitor, pillow TFT LCD color monitor, and basically this is going to be part of a Raspberry Pi kit. As you can see here, not a lot of information on the outside, but when we open it up, it's got a nice little color monitor in here. That's going to be a great part of a Raspberry Pi setup. And this is USB powered, so you don't have to have like a wall jack or anything. And I believe this is like 1080p, so it's got good resolution. Something that should be very, very interesting in our upcoming Raspberry Pi series. Then this company reached out. This is a dual wireless charging pad, so you can do your Apple Watch and then iPhone or whatever, you know, quick charge, 10 watts, tool charging, soft touch surface. So we're going to take a look at this. I really don't even remember the company that sent this, but we'll have to look that up when we check it out and do a review. Moving over here, also this is going to be part of the Raspberry Pi, but also some other cool stuff is the Gl.inet mini smart router. So this little guy is pretty cool. I've tested it out and done some pretty cool stuff with it. It's got 2 Ethernet jacks on one side. You can bridge Wi-Fi. You can basically make your own private network off of somebody else's network. Even Wi-Fi, which is really cool. And actually you can flash this guy who uses DD-Wert or OpenWrt, and you can flash it with like a Tor based firmware and use this to do Tor surfing and stuff. So very cool little project we got coming with that guy. And hey, can I hear you? Shut your tech hole. Anyway, this is a little accessory in the Raspberry Pi setup as well. This is a USB powered HDMI splitter. So basically you're going to put one input into this and you can input to two different screens. So something that's kind of neat, but will be part of our setup. Now also part of the Raspberry Pi piece, we've got some these are 5-inch HDMI cables. Okay, we want short HDMI cables for our setup. Then also, this is a splitter. So you basically will have one screen, and then you can have 3 sources of HDMI. This is just, you know, cool. And then you can just switch between them. So if you have one screen and 3 different sources, you can just switch between them, like kind of a KVM approach, basically. If you know what a KVM is, this kind of does that same effect for HDMI, so very cool. Now, why would we need something like that? Well, because there are only 2, but I have a third. So, I've got some Raspberry Pis here that we're going to have some fun with. This is the Model B Plus. So, there's 2 of them. I've got a third somewhere else. And then, probably the coolest case out there that I could find, this is from Flirk. This is what the box looks like. But this is, I got 2 of them here, actually 3 of them. But this is aluminum. This looks super cool. This kind of reminds me of like the Dell's Nooks. So what we're going to do is we're going to create 3 of these guys, put on a different Raspberry Pi firmware or OS or something, and we're going to do a pumpkin pie, a Kali pie, and something else to be determined later that you guys will just have to wait and see. But this is a very kick-butt looking Raspberry Pi case, so we're going to have some serious fun with some Raspberry Pis. Okay, and then it has a nice little bottom there, rubber feet, so this just looks kick-butt. So this is really going to take our Raspberry Pi up a notch. Then also in the DJI Osmo Pocket line, we've got the Pocket charging case. This is an official accessory from DJI, and we'll probably have a review on that. So we got the Osmo Pocket. Something I really liked about this guy is just the open up mechanism. I just push this. Hopefully, where's it at? Oh, let's do it again. Here we go. That's just cool. I can do that again. I just sit there and have fun with that. Watch. It's very space age-ish. Yeah, pretty cool stuff. So anyway, we'll have a review on this guy coming up. And finally, the BlendJet, which we'll have a review coming for this guy too. This is a USB powered. So basically, you charge this blender, and it's supposedly the most powerful battery operated blender out there. So we're going to put it to a test. I've set up with some Daily Harvest smoothies. I don't know if you know of Daily Harvest, but we're going to try to blend a Daily Harvest. So this is basically you can blend anywhere. And it's a pretty powerful blender. So the tests I've done so far with it is I've taken ice cubes, thrown in there with some water, and I've made a slushie. It does a pretty good job for just being a little battery powered blender. But we're going to put it to the test in a real video review and try to make some smoothies with it out of the Daily Harvest smoothies. So just tons of cool stuff planned, guys. I wish I had more time to focus and dedicate. I've got tons of projects and just not enough time to do them all. So anyway, again, links in the show notes for all this stuff. So if you want to check it out before I do feature reviews on it, feel free. If you use the affiliate links there and purchase it, it helps out the channel, so I appreciate that a lot. And again, if you like this series and you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our show, leave a comment, especially if you have any questions on any of this stuff, because right now we're just kind of showing it off. We're not deep diving in, but a lot of cool stuff coming, guys. So again, like, share, thumbs up it, and as always, thanks for watching and have a good one.